Are you tired of running into errors while trying to concatenate your audio files? If you've ever seen the message, "Found duplicated MOOV atom," skipped it, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this frustrating issue together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to save time by converting and concatenating files, only to hit a roadblock. This is a common problem many users face, and it can really slow down your workflow. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user asked, "Why am I getting the error about duplicated MOOV atoms when concatenating my M4A files?" They were trying to convert multiple MP3 files to M4A in parallel and then concatenate them. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what does this error mean? The duplicated MOOV atom indicates that the metadata for the audio files is conflicting. This often happens when files are created or processed in different ways. Understanding this will help us find a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of the duplicated MOOV atom, the user should first ensure that the M4A files are properly formatted. This can be done by re-encoding the M4A files before concatenation. Next, the user should create a text file that lists all the M4A files they want to concatenate. This method avoids issues with the Concat protocol. Now the user can run the concat command using the text file they created. This will help avoid the duplicated MOOV atom error. Finally, the user should check the output file to ensure that the concatenation was successful and that there are no errors. Fun fact: the MOOV atom is like the table of contents for your audio file. If it's duplicated, it's like having two tables of contents. Confusing, right? Let's simplify it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user found a workaround for the duplicated MOOV atom error. They suggest changing the file extension of the intermediate M4A files to .ts before concatenating them. This method allows for a successful final output in MP4 format without encountering the error. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. One user shared their experience with a similar issue when concatenating MP4 files. They found a helpful post that offers a solution to the problem of duplicated MOOV atoms. You can check it out for more details. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always check your encoding settings and use the Concat demuxer for combining files. This will save you time and headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to concatenate your M4A files without running into that pesky error. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. And remember to keep your audio files organized.